Hi guys, this is the Python series part 8. We have completed arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and bitwise operators. Now let's discuss membership operators. So what is the usage of membership operator? Membership operators were used to test whether a value is found within a sequence. Okay. So what are the types of membership operators? In membership operator, not in membership operator. What is in membership operator? In evaluates to true if the value in the left operand appears in the sequence found in the right operand. Okay. And not in membership operator. Evaluates to true if the value in the left operand does not appear in the sequence found in the right operand. If you see the example, you will be clear. Let's take this example. Here, L is the list object and X is the integer object. Inside the square brackets, we have the set of values. List is the sequence related data type. That means set of elements, group of elements. Okay. So here we have 10, 20, 30. So these are all the elements of list object. Here I have given 30 to X variable. This is the statement. Here I have used the membership in operator. What is the role of this in operator? This membership in operator checks whether this X value is present inside this sequence. Okay. So X holds 30 and L holds 3 elements 10, 20 and 30. So this 30 is present inside this sequence. So what is the result? True. Isn't it? Okay. Here I have used the not in membership operator. So what is the role of this operator? It returns true when this value is not present inside this sequence. Here X holds what? 30. Here inside L we have 10, 20, 30. So this X is present inside this sequence, isn't it? So here we have not in. So what is the result? False only. Let me execute this one. So X in L, that is 30 is present inside the L sequence object. So it returns true. Okay. Here X holds 30, 30 not in L. So here inside the L we have 30. So it returns false only because here we have not in. If this value is not present inside this L only, we will get true. Okay. Now I change the value of X 55. Now what is the result? Again I execute this one. Here X in L returns false because X value is 55. 55 is not present inside the sequence. That's why we got this result. And here X holds 55. This 55 is not present inside this L sequence. Isn't it? That's why we got true. And the next operator is identity operators. The identity operators are used to determine whether a value is of a certain class or type. Okay. Here also we have two types of identity operators. Is identity, is not identity. So what is the role of is identity? It returns true if the type of the value in the right operand points to the same type in the left operand. Okay. Is not returns true if the type of the value in the right operand points to a different type than the value in the left operand. Okay, if you see the example, you will be clear. Here, I have used the type of method. Did you remember what is the usage of type of method? Type of method is used to return the data type of the given variable or value. What is the type of method of 7.8? It returns float only. Okay. So, this is your left operand. This is your right operand. So, both the types are same. Means what happens? Is operator returns true only. And here, type of 8 returns what? Integer. But right operand we have only float. So what happens? is here returns the false only. Okay, and this is the complex type and right operand is string type. But here is not I have used. So both the types are different. It returns true only. Type of beauty, group of characters, it returns string only. String is not str. So is not returns false only because this returns string and here also string. So both are same, isn't it? So here we have is not. That's why we will get false only. Let me execute this one. So type of 7.8 float. Float is float returns true. Type of 8 returns integer. Integer is float returns false. Type of 7 plus 3j returns complex. Complex is not string. Yes, true. So we got true here. Type of beauty returns string. String is not string returns false only. We have completed the membership and identity operators. What are the types of the membership operator? In and not in operator. What are the identity operators? Is and is not operator. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.